Hi, my name is Mateo Martinez. I'm a data science here with Locks Digital Group. This is the fourth part of our four-part series on our predictive analytics and recommendation models. This particular algorithm optimizes quantitative features for email service providers as a marketing tool to allow marketers to optimize their digital marketing campaigns prior to doing any A/B testing or having to send out any of their emails to their client base without having previously optimized them. So let's start and jump into this model now. And this analytic model uses the same data set as three of our four other models in this series from the University of California Irvine Machine Learning Repository, which was initially a set of emails and a binary classification of if that email was marked spam or not spam. This one, as the other three from the UC of California Irvine data sets, use a random forest model, but again, we would potentially swap that out for a gradient boosted model or a neural network model, depending on our client's needs. And we have some instructions on how to run this model in your own local environment. If you have access to this notebook, feel free to run these cells on your own time. Here we're going to dive right in and load in our packages for this Python algorithm. Read in our data set. We'll take a peek at the first two rows of the data frame. These first columns text refer to the text body of the email, the number of words in the email, the title of the email, the word count of the title. Here are some typical metrics that a email service provider would be logging of deliverability rate, open rate, click-throughs, unsubscribes, abandoned carts. And here are some features we would be able to extract at Locks Digital using some parser algorithms to extract the number of pictures, links, videos, call to actions, colors of the call to actions, video length. These lengths binned into categorical groupings, and then campaign type and industry would be, we would use natural language processing to determine what type of campaign and what industry the email resides in using segmentation and clustering algorithms, as well as some anonymized user data of customers and a anonymized marketer ID. So here we will upload this is where a marketer would begin using our workflow, uploading a email campaign they'd been working on. We'll use the sample email here. You can take a look at it. This is a sample email with just some dummy pictures, some dummy text, picture with a link, call to action button, some more images, some more links, all clickable. Another call to action button here. So we have just uploaded this email into our model. We will parse this HTML document. Our algorithm is also able to accept JSON documents if that's the way you're storing your historical data of your email campaigns. And this allows us to select what our target variable will be, open rates, in a product announcement campaign in the industrial industry. And then here we get to select what quantitative feature we want to predict for. We can predict on number of links, number of images, number of call to actions. We'll do links first. Now this will feed our email that we uploaded into our algorithm. And so optimizing for open rates in a product and announcement campaign in the industrial industry, our current email has 13 links, the conversion probability of 61%. However, our model would recommend having 2 links would have a higher conversion probability of 71%. So this model will recommend 2 links. So as we look back here, this is a link, this is a link. Here we have more links. Each one of these social media icons is a link. So these 13, this model recommends parsing that way down to 2. So we can just try looking if we're going to do a click-through rate in a survey campaign type in the hospitality industry. We can analyze the number of images and run our model again. This email has 9 images with a current click-through probability of 63%. Our model would say with 5 images, it would also achieve 60%. Here, we just rounded the ends off, so I imagine in these couple of decimal points afterwards, 5 images has slightly more percentage points here, so we're recommending tearing it down just to 5 images. We'll do one more run through, looking at you're running an abandoned cart campaign. It's a transactional campaign in the medical industry, and we're going to analyze the number of call to actions. We have a current number of 2 call to actions with a current 16% conversion on abandoned cart campaigns. And alternately, just having 1 call to action would increase our conversion rate by 2%. The model recommends paring it down to just 1 call to action button for your highest conversion probability. At this point, the marketer would go back through, edit their marketing campaign for their optimal conversion probability based on whatever target metrics they had input here above. So that concludes this demo here, the last part of our 4-part series. Thank you for taking time out of your day to join us at Locks Digital Group. Feel free to contact us with any questions you have. My name is Matteo. My email is at matteo@locks.com. We look forward to hearing any and all comments and feedback you have. Thank you and have a great day.